Hey, it's Oliver here at Databowl, and today I want to talk a little bit about categories and how to use them. So to start off with, you can enter a category name here, which is in the validation section, categories section. And once you've added a category, what you can then do within a campaign is you can create a rule group. In this case, I've got three products A, B, and C, as well as a category called no product. And all I've done here is I've created a rule whereby I'm saying if the field test contains product A, if it matches, then categorize it as product A. And again, I've done this for product B and C. And for a no product, all I've said is if it matches at least one of these as the rule type, and then if the actual way we apply it is if it does not match, set the category to no product. So the match type here is match at least one, and we're saying if it doesn't match this rule, categorize it as no product. So when we submit some records into Databowl here, and we look at an individual lead, what we'll see within the category section is it's categorized the lead, in this case, to product C based on the rule on product C. And when you go ahead and run a report, in this case, I've done a campaign supplier summary report, you're able to then see a breakdown of all the different categories within a individual campaign here. So again, you can break it down as an overall, or on the individual suppliers, you can see how many of each product an individual supplier has supplied. So hopefully you find this useful, and the categories can be something you can start to use in the future for your campaigns.